Fair. I am. It's not my fault.
Okay, all of my subscribers know that I typically do Jeep stuff, but making the transition because my build's pretty much done, moving into my real passion, which is guns and ammo. So we're going to continue with my current build on a Wyndham platform. Wyndham, phenomenal weapon. I've had zero issues with it. I'm in the process of building it up now. I've got a lot of internal components that I can't show you because of YouTube privacy policy and standards and all that good stuff. Does have FRT in it. Good to go. I'm going to start off by showing you that the weapon is clear, nothing inside. All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to put in the Magpul MOE Enhanced Trigger Guard. This is the polymer. Nothing wrong with this guard here. I was shooting it. It was a little cold outside. I had some gloves on, so I decided to go ahead and switch it up. This was gifted to me, so why not put it in? I'll actually turn this gunner over for the simplicity of it, and we'll go through the step-by-step process on how to do that. So these have good reviews. They do have the aluminum one out now, but I went ahead and went with polymer. One, because A, I didn't pay for it. And two, I've already got some other polymer Magpul on here. So I've had no issues with it, so we're gonna give it a go as well. All right, in the kit, you get the polymer extended trigger guard, and you get 3 screws. This pin right here, we will insert a threaded screw, which will hold the trigger guard in place, because this pin comes out with the trigger guard, and it's not all the way through onto the opposite side. On this row pin right here, we're just going to tap it out, support the rifle. Make sure that it has room to come out on the other side. Just like that, my row pin's out. We are going to save that, so we'll set it over here for right now. So on this one right here, it doesn't go all the way through, so you just need to push it down just a little bit to get it past this lip, and then it will slide out. Like so, and this stays in here. So you don't have to go all the way through with this one. All right, now you take the new trigger well and you want to look at it. All right, the 2 holes are going to go to the rear of the receiver. The single hoe is going to go to the front. So this will slide in like so. Snapped into place, if you heard that. Some of these come with their own Allen wrench. This one, for whatever reason, did not. You can see it's a really, really small Allen wrench. I had to actually go outside and get a smaller one that would fit. Make sure the holes are lined up. Then you just thread it into place, and it grips on the polymer of the new trigger guard and threads itself in. So I don't want to go too tight, but I want to make sure it's flush with the side. So we got a little bit more to go right here. Want a little more turn on it. Then we are good to go. So this one's in, it's flush. These two screws actually go into the back here. Same process as the front. So you still want to save your row pin to put back into your original trigger guard, okay? So what I will do is put these back in here. I keep all of my gun parts that I swap out in case somebody needs them, or for some reason I need to revert back or what have you, I still have them. And again, this is threading into the polymer, not into the aluminum of the rifle. You see this one's in there good, flush. Now we will turn it over. Again, we already know our holes are lined up. It goes through the lower very easy, again, because it's not threading into the aluminum. You're only threading into the polymer. And that is literally it. A little bit bigger gap right here so you can get bigger fingers in, gloves or whatever. It also takes out this annoying dead space that's usually back here from the factory trigger guard, and it makes it look aesthetically better and functionality. So if you want to do it, great. If not, no big deal. Stay tuned. Working with Wyndham, I'm going to try out some of their cans and suppressors they came out with, as well as some other weapons. So appreciate you watching. Thanks again.